Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me on this purple amethyst glitter lip look. So let's jump right on in. I actually started with this Luxiebeauty blending brush, and I'm using the NARS eyeshadow. I believe it's called Dione, spelled D-I-O-N-E, and I'm using that to highlight my Cupid's bow. And then from there I'm going to actually take the NYX Cosmetics Blackberry Slim Lip Pencil, and I'm using that to blend out this ombre at the outer corner of my lips. And I'm going to take the Kat Von D tattoo liner in black, and I'm just going to line my lips so it has a little bit of a cleaner look to it. And then I'm going to grab the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Witches to fill in the black liner that I just added. And then I'm going to take the Sigma blending brush. I'm going to have it linked down below, also one of my favorite blending brushes, to just blend it out to get softer lines as I work my way to the middle of my lip here. Okay, next I'm actually going to be grabbing the Kat Von D Everlasting Liner in Sinner, and I actually have this, and I'm going to be using that right in the middle of my lips and also using it in the layering top portion of the black, I like to say. And then on top of this I'm going to be using the liquid lipstick in Sinner to just add a little bit more dimension to my lip and a little bit more color. Now, don't get discouraged by all the steps that I'm taking here to apply this onto my lips. Again, I'm using this as an entire tutorial and it's for lip art for me, so you guys can definitely have fun with this. Now here I'm actually applying the Sinner liquid lipsticks with a brush because again I want to have more of that soft diffused look as I move to the center of my lip. And you guys will get a better view of what I'm talking about in a few. And I did that with the MAC Cosmetics 217 brush, and again I'm still blending out. Of course, it's a lot of blending to get it to look exactly how you want it when you're doing this sort of ombre look. And now for the center of my lip, I'm using the NYX Cosmetics. This is going to be the color Fearless from their Love Out Loud liquid lipstick. And I'm just applying that again into the center of my lips and then blending it out, so again it just blends seamlessly. Think of it of how you're blending eyeshadow, but now you're just really doing it on your lips. Same idea. And now I'm actually going to be using the Inglot AMC Pure Pigment eyeshadow in 120. This is so pretty. Like, I wish I would have just done a swatch for you guys so that you can just see it on its own. The duochrome shift is amazing. And then on top of that, I'm actually going to be taking the CoverFX. These are their glitter drops, and this is the color Aurora. And here you can actually see the different shifts that it's getting as well. And I'm just applying that right on top of the Inglot pigment. Again, super duper pretty, and then later on in the video you actually do see me using it in Lunar also. And just keep piling it on. Make sure you're doing a lot of blending. And here you can actually start to see how the look is starting to come together. And again, anytime I'm doing lip art, I always like to say, have fun with it. So now I'm actually going to be taking the CoverFX glitter drops in the color Lunar. I'm going to be applying that to the center portion of my lips, but also the outer portion because you're going to see it blend out. Just to give it a little bit more of a shift in color and a little bit more dimension there. Plus, I just really wanted to play with these glitter drops, so I thought they were really cool. So of course blend it out, and now I'm actually going to be grabbing OPV Beauty's Pressed Glitters in Gold Lust, Witty, and Twinkle. And that again is just to add a little bit more of a shine and sparkle to my lips. So you just pat it on exactly where you see it. And OPV's glitter pigments, these are actually one of my favorite glitter pigments because they're not too messy. I get the right amount of sparkle and they just look beautiful on. You know what? Now that I look back on this video wasn't actually too long, or tutorial wasn't too tough. So have fun recreating it. Make sure you tag me in your looks. And thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon.